You know those cars that quietly show up and at first you think, just another sedan. But then you take a closer look and it turns out there's a lot more going on? That's exactly what's happening with the 2026 Kia K4. It's officially here, replacing the Forte in Kia's lineup. And honestly, it looks nothing like what we've seen from Kia's compact sedans before. But here's the thing. Good looks alone don't sell cars anymore, especially in a world obsessed with crossovers and SUVs. So the big question is, does this sharp-looking K4 bring enough to the table for you to actually care? Or is it just a pretty face? That said, let's break down what's new, what's worth talking about, and whether this one deserves a spot on your radar. Starting with the design, Kia's definitely stepped up their game here. The 2026 K4 carries that signature opposites united styling language, and honestly, it feels more like a baby stinger than the old Forte it replaces. It's got a wide, aggressive grille, slim LED headlights, and those signature star map daytime running lights that make the front end pop, especially at night. Around back, there's a full-width light bar with a clean, modern look, and a sporty, slightly coupe-like roofline that gives it a far more premium vibe than you'd expect from an affordable compact sedan. Now for the numbers you probably care about. Pricing is expected to start around $23,500 for the base model, while the top-spec GT Line Turbo could nudge closer to $29,000 once it lands in dealerships later this year. Under the hood, Kia is offering a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine making around 147 horsepower for the standard models, and a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with 190 horsepower for the higher trims. No hybrid or EV version yet. But rumor has it Kia might be cooking up something electrified for this platform in the next couple years. Inside, the K4 surprises again. You'll find a pair of sleek 12.3-inch screens for the digital gauge cluster and infotainment, plus wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available features like a heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, and a Harman Kardon audio system. That's a lot of kit for a compact sedan in this price range. One thing to note, while sedans aren't the hottest category these days, Kia's betting on the fact that not everyone wants an SUV. And honestly, the K4 makes a strong case for sticking with a sharp, fun-to-drive sedan that doesn't feel like a penalty box. So, should you care? If you've been sleeping on compact sedans lately, this is one worth a second look. The 2026 Kia K4 brings the style, the tech, and just enough performance to stay interesting. Would you consider this over a Civic or Elantra? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates just like this.